The purpose of this project is to determine how the surface condition of stainless steel affects cleaning performance in the dairy industry. Stainless steel is the most common material used in a dairy plant. The steel comes in contact with milk during processing, and the high heat conditions used create fouling on the surface, as pictured in this image. The hygienic nature of dairy manufacturing means that the plant has to be cleaned every 12 to 24 hours. It is unknown how the service finish expectations of manufacturing equipment affects the cleanliness of the surfaces after the cleaning process. Knowing how the cleaning process and the surface of stainless steel interacts will be useful to the dairy industry by reducing the use of chemicals, water, and energy. The outcome of this project will be a test rig which can be used to evaluate the effectiveness of this cleaning procedure. The most common method of determining the surface roughness condition of stainless steel before manufacturing equipment is installed into a factory is surface roughness RA. This measurement takes the average of pits and peaks of the surface and combines them into one value. This global standard RA value for manufacturing equipment is 1 RA. It is unknown how this value was determined. It is also unknown if this is the most ideal value for measuring surface condition of materials. This will be investigated further in this project. So far, the progress made on this project includes procuring samples of stainless steel for testing, as well as gaining access to the appropriate testing machines to collect data for the RA values of the surface. Initial designs for the test rig have also been created and are being developed to a point where they can be built. The next steps for this project is to test the surface roughness of the stainless steel samples using at least two methods and compare the results. The test rig needs to be designed further and constructed to enable collection of data.